Hello grade 8 students. For today, we will be discussing angle pairs, which all about complementary and supplementary angles. In today's lesson, you should be able to solve problems involving complementary and supplementary angles. Let's identify first what do we mean by complementary angles. These are two or more angles whose measures sum up to 90 degrees. In this given figure, we have angle BEC and angle CED. These two angles are complementary because when we combine the two measurements of this angle, the sum would be 90 degrees. Next, we have supplementary angles. So, when we say supplementary angles, these are two or more angles whose measures sum up to 180 degrees. In this given, we have angle AEB and angle BED. These two angles are supplementary because when you combine the two measurements of these, they will sum up to 180 degrees. Now, let's identify using this given figure which among the following are complementary angles and which are supplementary angles. So, some of the complementary angles here are angle ASB and angle BSC. Another pair is angle FSE and angle ESD. In supplementary angles, we have angle FSA and angle ASC, and we also have angle FSD and angle CSD. Let's apply this one in some exercises. If angle QUS is a right angle and the measurement of angle QUR is 20 degrees, then what are the measure of the following angles? In this given problem, it is stated that the measurement of angle QUS is 90 degrees and the measurement of QUR is 20 degrees. Therefore, we can find the following data or the following measurement of these given angles. Let's find out first the value of the measurement of angle RUT. In this given figure, measurement of angle RUT is equivalent to 90 degrees because it has a box on its corner. As you can see, class, every time that there is a box on the corner, it will always be 90 degree angle. Next, let's find the value of the angle SUT. As you can see here, the measurement of angle QUR is 20 degrees. To find the value of angle RUS, you just subtract 20 from 90, so it will become 70 degrees. And because RUT is a complementary of angle RUS, therefore, the measurement of angle SUT is 20 degrees. And lastly, let's find the value of measurement of angle QUP. In this given, the measurement of RUQ is 20 degrees. The complementary of this one is angle QUP. So to find this one, 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 degrees. Now let's apply this concept on some algebraic expression. In this given angle, we have a supplementary angle. So as you can see here, we have two angles which form a 180 degree angle. Always remember, class, that when we talk about supplementary angles, the sum of the angle will be equal to 180. So when we combine 2x plus 3 degrees and x minus 6 degrees, it will sum up to 180 degrees. Therefore, 2x plus 3 plus x minus 6 is equal to 180. Let's combine like terms. 2x plus x is 3x. 3 minus 6 is negative 3 equals to 180. Using the addition property of equality, transpose negative 3 on the other side, so we will have 3x is equal to 183. To find the value of x, divide both sides by 3, so x is equal to 61. But we are not looking for the value of x. We are looking for the value of the angle measurement. So to find this one, let's substitute 61 on the values of x. So 2x plus 3 is equivalent also to 2 times 61 plus 3. And 2 times 61 is 122 plus 3, which is equal to 125 degrees. 125 degrees is our angle measurement for 2x plus 3 degrees. Next, on the other side, we have x minus 6, or simply 61 minus 6. It is also equal to 55 degrees. To check whether your answer is correct, just add the two angles. So we have 125 plus 55, which is equal to 180. Next, let's have this given figure. As you can see here, we have three angles, which forms a 90-degree angle. How did I know that this is a 90-degree angle? Because we have a box on the corner. Always remember, when you see a box on the corner of an angle, it will always measure to 90 degrees. So, to add these three angles, we have x plus 3 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 90. Let's combine like terms, so we will have 3x plus 3 is equal to 90. Using the addition property of equality, we will have 3x is equal to 90 minus 3. And when we simplify this one, we will have 3x is equal to 87. To find the value of x, so we will have x is equal to 29. And to find the values of each given angle, we just substitute the value of x, which is 29, to each expression. So 29 plus 3 is equal to 32 degrees. 29 minus 1 is equal to 28 degrees. And 29 plus 1 is equal to 30 degrees. Now let's apply this given concept on our word problems. We have here two angles are complementary. If one of the angles is doubled of the other angle, find the measure of the two angles. Here, we are looking for the measurement of two angles which are complementary. So always start with the representation. We can represent as our first angle as x and our second angle as 2x because it is double the other angle. For the solution, when we combine the first angle and the second angle, it will sum up to a 90-degree angle because it's stated in our problem that the two angles are complementary. X plus 2x is 3x, and to find the value of x, that is to divide both sides by 3, which is 30. So the value of our first angle is 30, doubled by the second angle, which is 60. Therefore, the measurement of our angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Next, our second problem is the complement of an angle is 30 degrees, less than twice the angle. Find the larger angle. We can represent the complement of an angle as 90 minus x and our angle as x. So in our given solution, the complement of angle can be represented as 90 minus x equals to 2 times the angle minus 30 because it is less than twice an angle. So let's combine like terms. We have 90 plus 30 equals 2x plus x. Let's simplify. So we have 120 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. So the value of x is equals to 40. We are looking for the larger angle. Therefore, the angle measures is 40 degrees and the complement of an angle measures 50 degrees. The larger angle here is the 50 degrees angle. Let's solve the last problem. Thrice the complement of an angle is 150 less than twice its supplement. What is the measure of the angle? So we can do the representation as follows. Angle as x, complement of an angle as 90 minus x, supplement of an angle as 180 minus x. In our solutions, we can write this as 3 times the complement, which is 3 times 90 minus x, is equal to twice the supplement, which is 2 times 180 minus x, less than 150. So let's simplify our problem. So we will have 270 minus 3x equals 360 minus 2x minus 150. Combine like terms, so we will have 270 minus 360 plus 150 is equal to negative 2x plus 3x. When you simplify it further, you will have x is equals to 60. Therefore, the measure of the angle that is missing is 60 degrees. Now, it's your turn. I want you to pause the video for a while and let's answer this given problem. So here are the answers on our exercises. On the first problem, the answer is 65 degrees, and on the second problem, the answer is 30 degrees. That's all for today. Do not forget to access your Keeper accounts for a short assessment. Thank you and God bless.